Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Yes. Good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Good. Now, did you guys remember what we have discussed yesterday? Like, let me open. So, I think we started Visual Studio Code, right? Right? Now, for the persons who don't know, let me just repeat it for you. We have just understand what no. We have just understand till now what is UI, what is UX, what is problem solving, or the basics of internet. This is what our course is for, not this. Where is this? Somewhere. Koshar, Naresh Shetty, my name placement, full stack. Did I create any folder yesterday? HTML9. HTML full stack. ఎక్కడ ఉంది full stack 9. Good, perfect. Now let's focus here. Till now, whatever we discussed, this is what we discussed, sir. Okay, this is about yesterday's hypertext markup language, and until now what we discussed is this. We started our journey to understand full stack with React. This course is full stack UI with React. The main purpose is to build a website. Now, in this particular course, what we will discuss, sir, we will discuss UI design, HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, SCSS, Bootstrap, JS, Advanced JS, jQuery, and Ajax. This is a basic front-end course, which takes 50 sessions. After that, we discuss something called React course. After that, we discuss something called backend and database course. Okay. So on an average, it will take it like some kind of 5 months. And we also discuss some kind of tools like VS Code, Git, GitHub, API, Netlify, Firebase, Docker, Kubernetes, and Tailwind. Okay. In this particular course itself, we have discussed problem solving, basics of internet, and then we discussed designing, how to design some kind of thing we designed in Figma, right? Now, let's start, sir. First one, you need one code editor. What do you need? Code editor. Code editor is a place where you will write your code. Okay. So I chose a code editor called Visual Studio Code. Now type it in internet, VS Code, download. You will get it one download option, sir. Go there and just download Visual Studio Code. After you download Visual Studio Code, Then try to install it, which is very easy. Once you downloaded it, then you will just click on it, accept, next, next. Make sure you tick all and then next, install. Simple. That will install Visual Studio Code. After installing the Visual Studio Code, go here, write it here, VS Code. Let's see, it will open the Visual Studio Code. Now, initial Visual Studio Code will be looking like this. Let me explain you line by line what is the Visual Studio Code here. Initially, your Visual Studio Code will look like this, which will have file, edit, section, something, view, terminal, go, run, and all. Left side, you will have a panel. This is a file explorer. This is where you will have all your files and folders. This is a search box where you can able to search any particular thing in your project. You can even use this also for searching. Or you can use this, which is used for GitHub kind of thing. Come inside. You can also use this, which is run and debug. This play button is for the run and debug. But we will never use run and debug, sir, because we are using in, HTML classes, something web development. HTML runs on the browser, so you don't need it. Then you have extensions. I told you to install one extension called Live Server. There is one extension called Live Server. Everyone need to install this extension, which is called a Live Server. Any doubts, sir? No. Any doubts, ma? No. Everyone, go here, file, open folder. Let's open one folder. Go here, Naresh IT. Then click here, HTML9. HTML9. Why it is coming it completely? Oh, not HTML9, then full stack 9. Click on full stack 9, select, and then select folder. This is what we did yesterday. I will just repeat it for you, don't worry. Now, next. I discussed everything inside the demos one. Let me put it here, everything out. Now, till now, anyone have any questions? Sir, how did you create this folder, sir? You can click on this. You will create one folder. If you want to create any file inside that folder, if you want to create any file inside that folder, click on this. If you want to create any file outside, you don't need to select it. You directly give it, it will be outside. Is it clear, ma? Are you all getting my point? Yeah. Next. Go here. Now, yesterday we did one program which is first HTML. Today we will do it one more time. For the persons who don't know, let me repeat it for you. HTML, hypertext markup language. What is the use of HTML, sir? HTML is used to define the structure or skeleton of a website. Basically, a web page. That means how a web page will look like. What exactly it contains. Like it contains one button, it contains one paragraph, it contains one image, it contains one text, it contains one heading, anything. Whatever it contains, it will give you by HTML. But what color it will give, sir? CSS will take care. What design it will give, CSS will take care. Layout and all, CSS will take care. Only the structure HTML take care. Is it clear? Are you all getting my point, ma? If anyone getting any doubt, you can ask me. Now next. Online, I hope it's clear. Online also, I hope it's clear. Now, in HTML, everything will have two tags, open tag, close tag. HTML, you will have open tag and close tag. Open tag will be like this, left arrow, tag name, right arrow. Left arrow, tag name, right arrow. But close tags is like left arrow, slash, tag name, and then right. Left arrow, slash, tag name, and then right arrow. That is what the close tag. Any doubts, sir? Is it clear till now? Now, next. HTML contains two things, head and body. Inside the head, you will have something called title. HTML contains two things, head and body. Inside the head, you will have something called title. Sir, if I want shortcut, I will use exclamation enter. Let me create one folder, sir, everyone. Go to HTML file, sample.html. I create one HTML, sir. This is sample.html. I am creating one HTML file. Did I write anything, sir, inside this? Is there anything, ma? Let's do the code line by line. Now, everyone take out your books and write it. I will do step by step instructions and you try it. Yesterday we did this and you try to answer it now first. First one. Let me put it notepad only, some tasks. Write a comment in HTML file. Write a comment in HTML file. Write a comment in HTML file. This is revision of yesterday class. Write that comment. Write a comment in HTML file. This is revision of yesterday class. This is revision of yesterday's class. Is it done, ma? Everyone put the comment. Now, write a comment in HTML. This is revision of yesterday's class. Did everyone completed, ma? Sir, how do you do, sir? Answer. In HTML, you will write left arrow, exclamation, dash, dash. This is the comment. This is the answer. I think we did this yesterday. Are everyone done? Next, second one. Create basic HTML with title. Create a basic HTML with title and leave some gap in body so that we can do next task. Now, next one, sir. I hope it's done. Then, then. I don't know whether you did correctly or not. So everyone check it yourself. Doc type HTML. Doc type HTML. And then you have to write HTML, open HTML, close, because doc type is kind of the important. Head, inside this head, inside this body, Now, if you go to head, you will have title, title. Any doubts, ma? Good. Okay. Did you give the proper title, sir? Now, next one. Sir, there is something called indentation. Indentation bole to, if a code is like this, can anyone understand it easily? No. To make it the people understand easily, we will give some gap here. Just so that it will be very easy to understand. When the head started, when the body started, when the body closed. And this is called indentation. Indentation. Gap on left side to make code multi-levels for easy understanding. Okay? Till now, any doubts, ma? Now, after this, let me write it here. Uh, here, give it some kind of headings. In the body, give H1 tag, give H1 tag, give H1 tag, H1 tag with your name. You don't need to write the question, sir. I just want you to write answer, simple. In the body, write an H1 tag with your question. Sorry, with your name, simple. Right? Next. Write a comment. That H1 is recommended to use only once in one page. For one page, you need to use H1 only once. You should not use multiple times. That is just recommendation. It's not like mandatory rule. Okay. Now, next. Also use H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 with some of your details. This is the task. Because yesterday we did this all. If you can complete this, that means you remembered all. Then we can proceed. Instead of revision, this is better. Now, let's go, sir. Now, let's go. Let me show you the yesterday one. And this is what we did. Sir, how do you get a basic template code? This whole template code, I got it by a MAT. Exclamation enter. If you write it exclamation enter, automatically you will get the code. Exclamation enter. Exclamation enter. And now yesterday also we tried, sir. We got this exclamation enter and I explained you each and every line. I said it doc HTML. This is used, this line is a HTML document. Then next, HTML lang equals to en. That means HTML open tag with an attribute lang having a value en, English. Then next, head. This is like head open tag. Then next, meta, which is a meta character set. What does it mean by this? Meta means metadata. Metadata means about that. Data about data. It's like what is the character set? Like for example, you wrote a book. What is inside the book is the actual data. Like if someone tells you like how many pages your book contain, what is the genre of the book, who is the author of the book, okay, or what is the price. This is all data about the data. Book is the actual data. Are you getting my point, sir? That's what metadata means. Like you are creating a website. What is the website is for? What are the things you want to add it into it? What is the characters you added there? What is the size you wanted? This is all metadata which is described inside the head. Head is used for metadata. In that you used one metadata called char set. Char set means character set. We have different character set like ASCII code and all. We are using one character set called UTF-8. Almost most of the most of the web we will have only UTF-8. Okay. Someone said it. How to use meta and give definition. Simple. Meta you can give instead of name equals to viewport, you will give name equals to description. That's what if you see, that's what Amazon do. I think I showed you example of Amazon one. Okay, description you can try. Now next. Next. The second one is for viewport, stating that width will be maximum width of the viewport. Or title. Always title will show on the top. Whatever you put on the title, it will show on the top. Head is closed, then body. Inside the body, you will have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Sir, here I gave Bahubali na. Will it be any error, sir? No. Headings will not. HTML will never give any error. If it not understand, it will just make it like normal text. That's it. Does anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions, sir? No. Let's go here. Let's delete. I'm gonna create 3 folders, sir, here. Every day, our code I will do inside the code. Every day, notes I will put inside the notes folder. Every day, I will put our projects, whatever the projects we do, inside the projects folder. Now, this first HTML is a code, and this one is not necessary. And the HTML intro notes, perfect. Any doubts, sir? No. Folder inside a folder. This is a folder structure I love to make. Next, inside the code, let's discuss headings. Headings and paragraphs. We already discussed headings. So let's take it paragraph anchor tag dot HTML. Today we will discuss paragraph and we will discuss anchor tags and we will do one small code. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts, sir, till now? No. Let's go here. How to get basic HTML code? Exclamation, enter. Now here, I will say paragraph, anchor. I will tell you what is anchor and all. Then go down. Then next, right here. Paragraph uses to print a paragraph, to display a paragraph, use p tag. What tag you will use, ma? P tag. Write it here, P. and write it something, whatever the paragraph you like. Like for example, let's go here. I'll just copy some paragraph from some website. I will just paste it here. Any doubts? Now go here, go live, and it will show you on the screen the paragraph 100%. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? Is it clear, ma? No, no one have doubts. No. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Now, after the paragraph, like, sir, what if I wanted myself one dummy paragraph? Like, in web development, there is one popular dummy paragraph called lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum is some kind of dummy paragraph always. If you wanted any dummy paragraph, type it lorem, enter. Automatically you will get the code. Again, sir, I am writing my code. Suddenly I want some paragraph. I wanted some dummy paragraph just for testing purpose. Then I will use, write it here inside the paragraph lorem and enter. What are the shortcuts in VS Code called? Can anyone tell me what are these shortcuts are called? Emmets. What are the shortcuts they are called, sir? Emmets. Emmets are useful shortcuts. We will have exclamation enter. We will have something like lorem. So it's a chota paragraph. What if I want 200 words paragraph? What if I want a big paragraph of 200 words? Lorem 200. Lorem 1000. Lorem 5000. Your wish. Any doubts, sir? No. You can define a paragraph. For the first time, if anyone tried it, the paragraph, you will get something like this. You will get like this, actually. First time if you try, it will go straight. Okay. Sir, in case if it is going it like this, for some people it will go, some people it will come normally only. If it is going like this, Alt Z. What is the condition? Alt Z. Automatically it will come to your screen. Word wrap. Alt Z. Alt Z. In case if your line is going on. Now, next one. Next one. Next one. Come. Now, sir, if you see the paragraphs are continuing. Sir, I want to break the paragraph. If I go here, if I just write it here, and if I just, if I just make it a next line, will it come next line in there also, sir? If I see here, I gave 5 lines gap na. Do you think this gap will come into the main? No. Whatever the line gaps you have in Visual Studio Code, it will not reflect into the main program. Okay, sir, but what if I wanted a break there? What if I wanted a gap there? Then you will use something called BR tag. Wherever you wanted, you can use some tag called BR. What tag you will use, ma? BR. BR is a self-closing tag. That means you don't have any closings. What tag you will use? BR. I will explain you after the anchor tag, self-closing tags. But I'm just giving you BR tag are capable to break the lines. Automatically it will go to the next line. You can see that after a specific point, it will go to the next line. Any doubts, ma? No. Online, someone named Samiksha asked me a question. Sir, all tags automatically create a new line. No. There are some elements called block elements, some are called inline elements. Some will create it new, some will not. Okay, so I will tell you the difference. Don't worry. Till now, any doubts, sir? No. Next. 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 We will discuss in detail about that. Now, come down. Anchor tag. Sir, what if I want to give links? What if I want to give some links? Okay. If we want to want to mention a link on clicking, users will go to another page or site. They may go to another page in my same website, or they may go to new website also. If you want something like this, you will use anchor tag. A tag. A is used for anchor tag. A is used for anchor tag. A is used for anchor tag. Any doubt, sir? Is it clear, ma? Now, next. Next. Let's go here. Anchor tag. Anchor tag, how do you do, sir? Give it A. Inside the anchor tag, give it here something like I will write click me. If I go here, I can see click me. If I click on it, am I going anywhere, ma? See? Why I am not going anywhere? Because here you can see one of the attribute href. Href means hyper reference. What is href means? Hyper reference. That means if someone click on it, where you want them to live, that is where you will mention. I will write it here. https://www.google.com /www.google.com. Any doubts, ma? Now, if I write it here, href www.google.com, then click me. Now, if I go here, now if I click on this, what will happen, sir? I will go to google.com. Everyone see this, ma? Is it clear? Does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions, sir? No. Anchor tag will have something called href, and in the href, whatever the link it will put, if you click on that anchor tag, it will go to that particular link. But but what if, sir, when I click on it, I want it to open in a new tab. I want it to open in a new tab. Then you can write it here. Target equals to underscore blank. If you write it target equals to underscore blank, then anchor tag will open in a new tab. If you write it target equals to underscore blank, if you write it target equals to underscore blank, it will open in a new tab. Now if I write it here, click me, if I click it, enter, see in a new tab it's opening. See, if I click on it, in a new tab it is opening. Same tab it stays there. Earlier, what happened in the same window only it opened, so that I need to click back. Is it clear, ma? Does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions? Online, someone asked it how to use HTTPS. You don't need to use it. I'm just giving a link. It is. You put it any link. कुछ नहीं होता ना. Whatever the link you put, HTTP or HTTPS or anything. Even you can give local links also, like one page to another page. For example, sir, I will go here. I will put this first HTML, na? Then I will give the link. Go here, go down, write it here. Local link also I will give. Go here, anchor tag. Go to my another page. Now, if I write it here, single dot means, sir, what is current folder, sir? Single dot. Okay, for the persons who don't know, I want to know, like, if anyone click on this, go to my another page, automatically I wanted to go to another page, which is my first HTML. Where is my first HTML? Same folder, na? If it is same folder, sir, put it dot slash. If it is previous folder, sir, double dot slash. Same folder, single dot slash. Previous folder, double dot slash. Then dot slash first HTML. Now what will happen if I go here? If I click on this, what will happen? That particular page is opening. See? See? You can link your page to another page. You can link one page to another page, or you can link Google to this or anything. Does anyone have any questions, sir? Does anyone have any questions, ma'am? No. Like, sir, what if I want to give anchor tag, and I wanted to, like, sometimes you will see links, like if someone click on a link, automatically the thing will be downloaded, right or not? What if I want to give a download link? What if I want to give a download link? Then you can go here. You put it whatever, write whatever you like, download as you wish. And I will give here one PDF, sir. Do I have any PDFs here? No. I will just take it. I will just take some PDFs here. See, some kind of Excel. Control C. I will give here the Excel file here. Sample. Now I will go here. Now ./ Excel. Sir, what will happen, sir? That means if someone click on it, this Excel will open, right or not? Sir, whatever you said HREF, it will open directly, right or not, ma? Now you go here. I just click on it. Now Excel is downloaded, see? Because Excel, it cannot open. If you put a PDF, sir, it will open. Instead of Excel, imagine I put some PDF. If I give here some kind of PDF, again, go here. In same folder, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Yeah. Single dot slash. Now here. Now if I go, if I click on this, is it downloading, sir? No, it is just showing me this page. What if I want automatically download this particular PDF? Go here, write it at the top last. Before you close, write it here, download. Write it here, download. Automatically, if you give it, if you click on this, it will download. Any doubts, ma? Download link? Any doubts, sir? Download link? No. Next. Next. Someone is saying it like, what if directly embed in another web page? That is iframe. Later we will discuss. Sir, same applies to bold and italic for anchor tag. You can apply it anything. Okay. Now, or you go to some websites, sir. In some websites, if you click on that link, Gmail will be there. If you click on the Gmail, automatically your mail will open. Like in some websites, you will have contact number. If you click on the contact number, automatically your phone app will open and the number will be copied there automatically. Right? If you want to do this kind of feature, anchor tag, write it here, some mail, a@a.com. Now write it here, SMTP protocol, which is like mail to colon a@a.com. What will happen, sir? If you do this mail to colon a@a.com, if I go here, if I click on this, automatically my mail will open and automatically it is ready to send a file and automatically it copied a@a.com also. Can you see that? Are you getting my point, ma? This will happen if you write it here, mail to. This will happen if you write it here, mail to. Mail to. Next, anchor tag. What if I want phone number also similarly? Write it here, some phone number and give it here, TEL, telephone, and give some number. So if someone click on this number, automatically it will call this particular number. If you use it in any mobile phone, it will work. In system, it will not work. If I click on this, it will automatically open your mobile phone thing. Any doubt, sir? No. Just note it down how different anchor tags works. Just quickly note it down, ma. Just quickly note it down. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Now, let's do it, sir. Now, let's go here, ma. Now, does anyone know what is the first website in the internet? Does anyone tried it or search internet for the first website which came to the internet? Do you ever think? No. Let me type it. Let me bring it to you. If you type www projects, www first project, oh no, yeah, www first project. Second one, the World Wide Web Project. Can you see this? The World Wide Web Project by CERN, CERN. That is the company Tim Berners-Lee worked at the time. The World Wide First Project. Online, someone answered it's like ARPANET. That is the first internet. I'm saying it first website. Both are different. Now see, the World Wide Web Project. This is the how the website looks like. The first website. Can we create this site? This is the first internet site. Or if you feel difficulty, I will show you more simple version. Now, see, it's a more simple version. Can we do this, sir? What is there? A big paragraphs only there. Now go here. If I take it, policy one, see. Now in this particular project, only headings are there, paragraphs are there, anchor tags are there. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? Now go here. Now here also. Now they are showing all the servers and all. See, these are the people who worked for that. Only headings are there, paragraphs are there. Everyone, now take your books and do it until this. Next 5 minutes, I want you to do a web code, HTML code. Your HTML code should print until this email. Are you all getting my point, sir? Did you all understand question, ma? And one more announcement, sir, everyone. Tomorrow, as it is a Saturday, like we don't have every Saturday holiday, but tomorrow there is no class. We will have our next class on Monday. After today, the class is not over, but after today, we will have our next class on Monday, sir. Is it clear, ma? Only for my course, only for this particular class. Okay. Yeah. Just do it, sir. Everyone. Online also, please do it, sir. Samiksha. Today holiday. No, 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 no. Tomorrow. Tomorrow holiday. Only for 9 a.m. This one. Someone is asking in the online what is the difference between programming language and HTML language. Program Programming languages will have a compiler. HTML don't, right? HTML is running on browser, and we don't have any, we don't have any errors. Also, you write it Bahubali, also it works. It's because it won't think. Any doubts, ma? No. This whole course, max to max, will be completed by 5 months. But if you are like it, want to make it faster, like after 2 months, you can take parallelly the React and the backend one, which you can make it like 3-4 months also. Okay, serially, if you go one after the another, 5 months. Is it done, everyone? Is it done this much? We will do our first website. I told you na, www project. We will do that also. Don't worry. Once I explained you lists, I will do www project only. I want you to try this. I hope it's easy only, na? Is it completed? Karo jaldi, quickly. Online people, you don't need to write the whole paragraph. You can just go to this particular link and you can copy paste it. Only the thing is you need to know which tag to use what. Offline people is difficulty because they have to write. It is a nested one, ma. Inside a paragraph, anchor tag is there, not outside the paragraph. Online Ahmad is asking, what does it mean by UTF? UTF is Unicode Transmission Format. It's a character code. Every character you type it in internet, they will give you some kind of, like, for example, B, E, N, anything. Every letter or every character, they will give you one code. That codes are under the format of UTF-8. So I hope it's done. It's like this one is H1, this is H1, and this is paragraph. Again H1, paragraph, and inside this big paragraph, you have this www project anchor tag, and again phone book anchor tag, wizards at SLAC anchor tag. Every anchor tag must have href. Is it clear, ma? Is it the same thing you did? Yeah, that's it. Now let's go here. Let's also explain you a chota one, which is like how to do image. Once we discuss the image, then I will do one project and then we'll say leave. Okay, clear? Now let's start, sir. How to insert image in HTML. We will use something called IMG tag. What is a tag? IMG. If you type it IMG, enter, automatically it will come, but I will write it here. IMG. IMG is also a self-closing tag. That means it don't have any closings. If you see BR is not having any closing, IMG is also not having any closing tag, sir. Okay. Now here, IMG, you will have two things. One is SRC. SRC means source. One is ALT. ALT means alternate. Now, if I go here, if I go to Google, type it some images, type it images, something like baby. So if I go here, let's take a baby, right click, open image in a new tab. Now I just open an image in a new tab. Again, for the people who don't know, just open any image, right click, open image in a new tab, and then go here, copy this address, and now after copying the address, go here, type it the address here. Inside the SRC, inside the, and alt will work. Alt will work only if SRC is not working. Imagine on this link that image they removed, or maybe the link which I gave is wrong, or maybe internet is not working correctly, right or not? In this case, alt will come. Maybe cute. You put any name. So let's go here. Let's go here. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, ma? Is it clear? Now, next. Next. What if, sir, image is not from Google? What if image is already there in my system? Let's go here. Let me put some kind of thing. If I go here, if I download something, image download, not WebP. If I just right click, open image in new tab, download, save image. Actually, you don't need it open an image. Why it is coming WebP dot JPG? Sometimes it will not come correctly. I'm just putting it in download, sir. Now I just put one image in download, sir. I just downloaded one image. You can download your image however you wanted. Okay. Now after downloading the image, go here. Keep the image in the same folder. Always keep the image in the same folder, sir. Always keep the image in the same folder. Then open. Let's go here. Drag and drop. You can copy paste also. No need of drag and drop only. Now I just drag and drop. Now image is here in the same folder. I told you, if it is same folder, what to do, sir? Same folder means single dot. Previous folder means double dot. IMG inside SRC single dot slash line art. So if I go, so this is my local image. This is my, it's like Google image cloud. So let's go here. But this image is so big, sir. Can I able to control? Yes. You can give height and width if you want it. You can give height how much you want. I want height 100 pixel, 100. Then automatically height and width will be adjusted. Can you see that? You can give width also how much you want. Someone is saying it like how to change the size of the image. That's what I told you, height or width. How to manage height and width. Any doubt, sir? Are everyone clear with this? Are everyone clear, ma? Any doubts? No. No. Let's do, sir. Let's do one project. A simple project, everyone. Go here. Go to project section. Always when you are creating a project, always create the project inside a folder. Now inside the projects, I'm creating a folder called profile. I'm creating a folder called profile. Inside the folder, always keep your HTML page index.html. What is the name? Index.html. Keep it index.html. Perfect. Now let's get the basic code, exclamation enter. Now I'm gonna create one profile page for someone. Like, let's put some profile page for Shinchan. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's put here. Right click, open image in a new tab. Copy this. Now go here. Now, first, IMG. I will keep one link. And I will write it here, Shinchan. I will just see how it is coming. How you will run it, sir. Go live. It will run. Now see, what is the problem? Can anyone tell me? Size. So I need to adjust the size. How do you do that? I will say width has to be 500. That's it. Any doubts now? Any doubts, ma? No. Let's go here. Let's write some H1. H1 name Shinchan Nohara. Then next H2. You can give some kind of other details. Other Maxi or H3. Other Harry. Sister Himawari. H4 skills satire humor. Now next I am using only 4 things. Actually you can use H5 and H6 also if you wanna do. Okay, some details if you know. Let's go here. Paragraph P tag lorem something like 100 words. Then next I will say again more paragraph for more details. Okay, anchor tag. Click here. I will go here. I will just go Shinchan. Now go down Wikipedia. Control C. Go here. Control V. And I want this Wikipedia to open in a new tab. So target equals to blank. Any doubts, sir? No. Now paragraph, email us. Now if you want any email ID, give here email ID shinchan@nohara.com. Now if anyone click on it, automatically it will send a mail. How? You will write it here mail to colon. Did you remember ma we did na just now? Same thing you can give a number. Same thing you can also give something like download option. If you want to download Shinchan images, click on this. Automatically it will download. Any doubt, sir? Like this, create a page which will use everyone. The task is you have tomorrow Saturday, which is free. It will not take more than 10 minutes. I want one image. I want headings. I want paragraphs. I want anchor tag. You put anything. Create for anything. Kuch nahi hota for me. I want one paragraph, one image, one headings, some headings and anchor tags. So that if you will and remember it all the things. Any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. Is it clear? Yeah. Good. Now, download VS Code, start your first HTML file and make sure complete it by Monday. Monday onwards, we'll do actual classes. We'll go in like kind of notes and all the things. Okay. Monday onwards, I will provide all the things which we discussed till now. I will provide the notes and we will do one more time revision also. Okay. Because Monday, new people will come again. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all, and we'll meet you Monday. All the notes I will provide you on Monday, because Monday we will create a drive. Online, yes. This course, it will you will become something like proficient full stack developer. You will get it advanced topics also. Okay. So we will cover the topics which are mentioned in brochure. Yes, we will do it. Okay. Tomorrow there is no class. We will have again another class on Monday. Okay. Yeah. If you have any questions, please ask it. Dawood Singh, MySQL and MongoDB. I don't know. If no doubts, you can leave. Ma. Dawood, MySQL and MongoDB both will cover. I think MongoDB only will cover, but MySQL they will give you a crux. You can ask the admins first. You can ask the management. Okay, then you will get a clear idea. Source code will not be now. Actually, source code will be tomorrow. Like Monday onwards, we will give. When image clicked, will it go also redirect to text? Hemant, if you want to redirect, put img, put image inside anchor tag. Okay. Supriya, how to create a design in Figma without password? You have to have an account. Without that, how you will do? Samiksha, we create a new project to try. Yes, we will do it. What are the projects? I didn't get it. So like what projects we will do and all? Yes, Hemant, I will explain you what projects we will do and all Monday. Don't worry. మీ మదర్ ఏ నా ఫోన్ నుంచా యా